Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Journey, Tech Journey channel, and today we're going to be dealing with something nice. Do you want to be able to clean your dataset in seconds or nearly minutes? Okay, so let's see how we're going to do that. Today we're going to be talking about Power Query, how you can do it, how you can use Power Query to clean up a dataset in less than minutes. So it's going to be very quick, and let's get right into it. So the first thing is you're going to create an extra sheet. This data set has been put in my bio, so you can get the description. You can watch the other videos wherever I cleaned it manually. But today we're going to be talking about Power Query and how we can use Power Query editor to clean up our data set in a very clean and orderly fashion. So this is how we have it here. So once you've come to this new sheet, I created this new sheet by clicking this plus. Then after I have this new sheet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight into data. So once I have data, I'm going to just see, once you go under the data ribbon, there's a new query here. So it just tells you new query. And we want to use query. So we're just going to click this. Once you click query, come to for files. So we're going to be using from Excel worksheet. So basically we're just going to be using from Excel. So we say from files. We're going to be using Excel. So it just loads up your ebook. So just look for where you save that file. Most of the times I save my files under download. So I'm just going to go to download. I'm going to come here and I'm going to just search it. It says data original. So it's over here. And I'm going to put open. So once you press open, it loads up. So you see this navigator panel. So this is what comes up next. So after we've gotten this navigator panel, we know we're getting in the right direction. So under that same data set, I have various ones. I listed them out. This is the clean data, and this is the unclean data. So I'm just going to, just for clarity's sake, and this is the unclean data. It loads up here once you click it. So I just click this. You can also click the clean data and you see it's all arranged. And let's just go to unclean data and you see the null sets and all. So once you have this clicked, just click unclean data 1. I'm going to be sending this data set. Remember, it's in my bio. So just click edit. Now you have edit. Now it loads up Power Query Editor. Now, Power Query Editor is an editor that works using the language M. So it helps you clean up your data in a very orderly fashion, and you don't have to go through all the hassle of writing code and all that. So here is just a simple drop and pick kind of system operation. So you just click, there's no Ctrl Z here. So if you want to remove something, you just come over here and you see this X, whichever step you want to remove, just click the X. Now, after loading it on Power Query Editor, you see it already gave us headers. My data set didn't have headers. So it set the headers and, it already spaced it out. So my data naturally has pounds and all that. So that's what happened here. Source, navigation, promote headers. So if I want to remove the headers, I can always remove that, but I want those headers to be on. So now, how do we go about it? So you see in this data set, there are things like null. Those are blank rows. We have blank rows. We have wrong casing. This is wrong casing, and you also remove the formatting. So that's good as well. So now let's go straight into it. So we want to remove the blank rows. So you just press Ctrl A. Ctrl A. Okay, so we want to remove blank rows. So we just come here to remove rows. Then under remove rows, we can see remove blank rows. Just as simple. Just click it and all your blank rows are out. So it's still highlighted. So let's go straight into it again. We have remove duplicate rows. Still under remove rows, remove duplicate rows, click all your duplicate rows out, just like that. Just like that, it removed your blank rows, your duplicate rows. Now we have units sold in fractions, so we want to do whole numbers. How do we change it? We come here, you see decimal numbers. Data type is in decimal numbers. Change it to whole number, and that just changes up. Okay, what else do we want to do? Okay, now we want to change from manufacturing price to profits. We want to change it all to currency, so they're all in numbers. So you hold shift and just navigate sideways to profit. Then after we've done this, just come here to data type as well and change it all to currency. And just like that, we have that in currency. Okay, what else do we want to do? Okay, we can also use here in case if you want to use it. So we have it all in currency now. We have it all in currency. Now, what else do we want to do? So we're almost done cleaning this data set. Let's come straight to the date. So the date here, we're just going to come here and we're going to say, okay, the date, we're going to also change it to date. We want it to be in date. So you see date, just click date, and you automatically change it to your short date. So we're almost done. All that's left is column B. You can see how fast Power Query Editor can make it work. It's just so simple. Let's go to column B. Now column B, we want to change it to proper case, and normally we'll use a formula called proper equals to proper. And if we wanted to change it, we also want to trim it, so we'd have used trim is equals to trim open, okay, is equals to trim open parenthesis proper open parenthesis, then the column, that will be B for column B, close parenthesis, because this would have been on column B. But now we just want to clean this up in a very simple way. So we're under the home ribbon, go to transform, and under transform you see format, and you see trim. Click trim. It trims it. Under the same format, capitalize each word. That means you start with a capital letter and goes on with smaller letters. That's proper case. You can change to lowercase, you can change to uppercase, but now we want it in proper case. So everything is in proper case. Now remember that once you have this, you also we had a problem because USA becomes USA. So how do we change this? How do we change USA? We want it to be U, capital letter, capital U, capital S, capital A, because USA is an acronym, and it's not just a word, it's United States of America. So we come here and we click replace values. You see here, it's still under the transform ribbon. Let me just cancel and do it again. So replace values, then just type in the value you want. Make sure you put it in the case it is in, then replace with the case you want it to be in. And just like that, it changes everything. Then once you're done, we are literally done. We come here and we just say, just put under the home ribbon, close and load up. So once you press close and load up, it closes it and loads up on this Excel sheet. And just like that, we have done cleaning our data set. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop a comment section if you don't understand anything or you don't know how we got here. Please drop a comment section and we'll get right into it. Bye. Till the next one, have a great time. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification icon so you'll be the first to get our videos. Thank you. Bye.